start with generate equivalent expressions, that is page number 195. A shipment of eggs contained some cartons with a dozen eggs and some cartons with a half dozen egg. Girls, what is the meaning of dozen?
12.
Okay, and half dozen? It's 6. Again, dozen means dozen here,
12.
it is 12.
Well,
Half dozen means 6. Now the question is, a shipment, okay, you can see the shipment here. You can see how much they are saying, 6 and yani half dozen and full dozen. A dozen means full, that's 12, and half dozen. So for half I will make 6. For what do you call as full I will make 12. There are unknown number of half dozen egg cartons, and I don't know how much there is. Unknown means, girls, I will just give a letter X or Y or anything. Here, they for unknown half dozen, they put H, and for full dozen, you can put anything, girls. I'm not saying that you need to put only H and something. But in the beginning, I will say, let H is equals to half dozen. And let D will be, you can even take F, that is full. That means it's dozen. This one is 6 and this one is 12. Okay. How can you represent the total number of eggs? If I want total number of eggs, 6, because in 1 dozen there are 6. If it is half dozen box, they are asking you total half dozen box plus dozen box. But I don't know. In one you have 6 eggs, but you don't know how many boxes of half dozens are there. So I'll put 6H plus 12. I don't know how many dozen boxes are there. So I'll put 6H plus 12H. 12D. This is how you write an algebraic expression. This is how you write an algebraic expression. Did you understand this?
Yes.
yes.
Total number of eggs. I don't know how many total number of eggs are there. How will I know? By adding the boxes of half dozen and by adding the boxes of dozen. In 1 half dozen box, you have 6 eggs. And in 1 dozen box, you have 12 eggs. But you don't know how many boxes are there. So 6 times so much. Like example, if I have 2 boxes. So I will do 6 times 2. That means you have 12 eggs in 2 boxes. Plus, in 1 dozen box, you have 12 eggs. So that's why 12 times maybe number of boxes. 5 boxes, 5 times 12. 3 boxes, 3 times 12. You'll get the eggs, number of eggs. Okay? So please quickly write this. Just draw in the first question these eggs, and in the second one, if you even write, this is enough, what I wrote. If you have finished, please let me know.
Okay.
For science, Dana and Judy and Noor will not submit because I have already received from you. But others, let us discuss in science class better. First finish with this. Okay. Do you all finish writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Nancy wrote the expression 3x minus 12 represent to the relationship in a table of values. Properties of operation, write 2 equivalent expression. 3x minus 12. She wrote 3x minus 12, girls. And they say, I want to write properties of operation to write two equivalent expressions like this. I want to write one more expression, but the answer I must get 3. So what I do is, girls, this very important and very, it's a tricky question, girls. Again, you will take 3 common from both the numbers, 3 and 12. I'll start the bracket. I'll write x, because 3 times x is 3x. 3 times what is 12, girls? 3 times what is 12?
4.
So I write here. If I open this, I get the same question, 3x minus 12. See? If I open 3x, because I said you multiply 3 with x and the next multiply 3 with 4. So I get the same thing. You can write this way. You can even write minus 12 plus 3x. It's the same. 4 plus x or x plus 4. Don't you think so? This is same. They are two different expressions, but they are same. Like 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Same way, 3x minus 12 or minus 12 plus 3x. Both are what, girls? Both are same way. So this, for try it, please write this in the bracket so that you remember how did I get this. Finished?
Yeah.
Now we have got something very important. Again, please be active. Wake up and answer my questions now. You are the one who are solving with me. Let me start. Dana, first one. These are examples, but I want to do with you all. Minus 5x plus 2y plus 3x. What did I teach you, Dana, this one? Search the same family, come on.
5x, 3x.
Okay, let me write here. 5x plus 3x and then 2y. Okay, what do I do? What do I have to do to this?
Minus 5.
Mhm.
5. Okay.
Minus 5?
No.
Yes, very good. Minus 5 and I will minus 5 plus 3 means I have to minus them. Okay, I have x. See, I'll take the numbers and I will y minus it because they're opposite sign. If you don't write this step, you can directly minus also. Minus 5 plus 3, what do you get? Answer. Yes, Dana, come on. What do you get as an answer? Minus 5 plus 3.
3. Minus 3.
Dana, minus 5 plus 3, you will subtract them. You minus them. 5 minus 3, what is your answer?
2 minus 2.
2. How can it be 3? And sign of the bigger number. So your answer is minus 2x. 2y, I cannot do anything because I don't have with the same family. This is my answer. Did you get this?
Yes.
3-1. Miral?
Yes, miss.
Did you get this?
Yes.
Zishan? Noor?
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to do example, but I am doing because
I have a question.
who's that?
Dana.
Dana did not get it.
No, I get it, but I just have a question. If it's like maybe like 5x, 3x, and 2y, 4y, like four numbers.
See, 5x and 3x. Why I choose this two? Because they are from same family and they're opposite signs. So I will minus it. I just wrote the numbers. I will only minus the numbers. X I will copy it same. That's why I put it in the parenthesis in the bracket. Minus 5 plus 3. I got it as why minus? Because sign of the bigger number. Why did I minus it? Because they were opposite sign. Okay. Next. 1 over 3x. Now see, be very careful again. I will open this. See a plus sign here. If there is no plus sign, I need to multiply the bracket. But there is a plus sign here, just copy it. 1 over 3x plus 1 over 6x plus y. You know very well that these two are from the same family. So what I'm I'm just copying the numbers. I'll write the x and I'll write y. Now when I add 1 over 3, remember how to add this? Cross multiplication, remember? Or take the LCM of the one. They both come in the same table. Multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 1, multiply 1, 2 plus 1. I get it as 3 over 6. That is half. So I get half x or 3 over 6 plus y. 3 over 6 x plus y. You can even simplify if you like. Done? You don't have to copy all this, but you have to understand. Coming to more. Be very, very careful with the signs, that is integers. They ask me to write expressions for, they want me to write, I can write this way, like if you have 2 plus 3, I can also write it as 3 plus 2. So the other way I will write minus 3 over 4 minus 5 over 4x. This is the next. They want me to write expression. Two expression, like means similarly the other thing. What did I write? I wrote the opposite. I wrote minus 3 over 4 minus 5 over 4x. Girls, very important question because it's easy. You just have to switch. But don't forget the sign when you switch. Minus 3 over 4 minus 5 over 4x. Any questions further?
No.
The last type of question. I need to open it. They said write equivalent expressions. I need to open it. Minus half. Now girls, do you think any plus sign here in between? No. You don't have any plus sign here. That means I need to multiply this with this and this with this. I get minus half x when I multiply, and then I get minus half, and you have 8. That means 8 in the numerator. So minus half x, and this is 2 times 1, 2 times. Plus and minus 4. This is the first expression. The second expression is opposite. This is the other expression. If you want, you can even put plus and then minus, but this is okay. First, I multiplied half with x, I got half x. I multiplied half with 8, I got minus 8 over 2. That is, I simplified, I got minus 4. The other expression, I can write opposite, just switch. Minus 4 comes here and minus half x comes there. This is the second expression. You have these topics for exams. So please, I need to make you very much perfect before the exams, girls. Can I go further?
No.
Get serious. You just have few days for your tests, exams. So please get serious at least at the last moment. The question is minus 3 plus 2 over 3y minus 4 minus 1 over, what is the last one, girls? 1 over what? Is it 3?
Yeah.
Okay. I bring the same families together. That is 2 over 3y minus 1 over 3y. And then I write the numbers minus 3, minus 4. Correct? Any question here? I write the families. That is 2 over 3y minus 1 over 3y. And then minus 3 and minus 4 together. I made them together. I have to do this 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3 because they are from the same family. Minus 3 minus 4. When 2 minus same denominator, I can subtract the numerator. 1 over 3y minus 3 minus 4. What will I do? Will I add or will I subtract? Both are same sign. What will I do? Add. Very good. Sign of the bigger number. This is my answer. Okay. Over 3y minus 7. Girls who don't understand this question number 4, I'm ready to explain again. Please, you can solve with me and you will understand well. Anyone who did not get it? Zishan, Dana, Miral? Do you want me to explain this again?
I understood.
Dana, you want me to explain again?
Mm.
Miral? Let me know, girls. Do you want me to?
Miss,
Yeah.
no, thank you. I understood.
Okay. Shall I clear this? Did you write?
Yeah.
Everyone finished writing? Okay. I will clear it. Now this question, you have to put instead of x1, you have 3x minus 5. If I put 1, what will happen? I get 1 minus 5. That is 3 and minus 4 minus 12. If I put 2 instead of x, if I put 1, I get this. If I had 3x minus 5. I just have to put 2 instead of x. 2 minus 5 or 5 minus 2 because opposite sign. 3, sign of the bigger number. I get minus 9. Third one, I put 3. I have x minus 5. Instead of x, I put 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So I get minus 6. I get minus 12. I get minus 9. I get minus 6. Same here also. Any questions?
No.
Again, I'm saying these are the questions which are there for your test in the final exam. So please stop me here and say if you don't get it.
Okay.
Substitution. Instead of x, I substituted 1. You must know 1 minus 5. I will minus it and put the sign of the bigger number. I got minus 4. I multiply 3 and 4, 12, and put a sign here minus, opposite signs. Same way I did question for 2 and 3. That is when I put 2 instead of x. Here x equals, here it was x equals 1. Here it was x equals 2. And here it was x equals 3. Guys, this I have in my lesson. Not lesson exactly. I have in my class. We'll continue in the next.